Colonel Grijaldo, matanong ko lang po, ano po ang nag-udyok sa'yo para i-execute tong affidavit na ito?
Maganda to, itong part na to.
Just I have said, Your Honor, during my opening statement in the Senate, it was Tuesday. We have a hearing here on Tuesday, and we ended up on the Wednesday on the event of the Typhoon Christine. And as I have said, I go back to my home, and dinibdib ko po yung nangyari sa akin, Your Honor. And I never told this to my wife that time for 2 days. Until such time on the Friday, I was informed by the PIHAW that I'll be attending a Senate hearing. So, naisabi ko dun sa asawa ko, Your Honor. And nag-argue pa kami kasi ayaw niya. Ako kasi gusto ko na may sabi. And sabi ko, we have to go on a Sunday Mass, and we need wisdom for this para mabigyan din tayo ng lakas ng loob para ma-resolve natin sa tayo kasi tayo nag-aaway. Kaka-problema, hindi na rin kami nag-aano noon eh. So on the Sunday, it was on the gospel. Sabi ko, pakinggan natin kung ano man yung masabi ng gospel sa atin that day. And it was a great enlightenment and a wisdom na binigay sa akin, Your Honor. The gospel said that it's not all about the crown, but it is about the cross. It is not about the honor, but it's about the sacrifice. It's not being the first, but being the last. It's not being the great, but being the servant. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, bakit naibigay sa atin to? We have to, and to sum up that, Your Honor, ang sinabi nung pare, sabi niya, it's not about the experience. Because yung experience kasi natin sa buhay, it may be good or bad. But it's all about the lesson learned that time, Your Honor. So I have that courage, and even my wife submitted to my decision. And on the next day, pumunta na po ako yun. Nandun po yun, nag-narrate, ginawa ko po yun, sinulat ko po yun.
Can you pause? Yung mga TikToker dyan, this is a very TikTokable
Yes, please.
moment. Please. Pero explain nyo kung
ayoko nang mag-live eh. Sa totoo lang, ayoko nang mag-live. I was watching this, at nung nakarating ako dito sa part na to, sabi ko, putang ina, hindi po pwedeng hindi ko ila-live to. Hindi po pwedeng hindi ko ila-live tong answer na to.
Yung mga TikTokers dyan, i-TikTok nyo ito, yung mga magulang dyan, let your children watch this and explain kung ano tong hearing na ito. Because we are watching right now high-value politics. Gets nyo? We're watching right now high-value politics. And you know that he is actually telling the truth. You know why? Because galing sa puso eh. You cannot fake it. You can never ever fake those trembling moments in your voices when you are actually trying to recollect something that actually gave you courage.
Yes.
It's you cannot fake it. It's hard to fake it kasi it's already it is a memory that has already been engraved in your neural network. Kaya ganun katindi yung kanyang kaya nga you can relate to this, no? Even if you just try to recall your turning points in life.